Alright, so 5-2 starts off with some definitions. Or experimental units are obviously going to be the units, I guess, the objects that will have a treatment placed on them. Subjects is our nice way of saying human experimental units. The factor is a variable that will be changed in order for the experiment to work. Levels will be how many different values for the factor. Alright, and the response variable is going to be what we've talked about. Response variables, the measured result for each unit. So let's talk about an experiment and go through all of these definitions to make sure that we know what they are in a sense. Alright, so let's take a look at this problem. It says, what is the correct dosage of our diet pill to lose the most weight? And so for this case, our experimental units, which would also be considered subjects, would be the people who need weight loss pills. The factor would be the amount of the dosage. The levels, there would be 4 different ones, because they would be the 50, the 100, the 150, and the 200. And the response variable would be the change of weight. Alright, control. What we want to do when we say control is we want to limit other working variables. So in our diet example, we may want to give everyone the same meal plan and the same exercise plan, so that those would no longer be working variables. Say this is how much you're going to eat, and this is how much you're going to exercise. And then we have something called the placebo effect. The placebo effect means in our last example, if I gave people a fake pill, they still lose weight because maybe they're changing other aspects of their life, thinking that they have to change their patterns in order to lose weight. So that's why we would include a control group. Now, a control group basically has to have a normal life, but they think that it was changed. So instead of giving them the diet pill, we gave them a fake pill. Now, the reason why we do this is that we can get a good comparison of what would happen if people just thought they were supposed to lose weight instead of actually getting the medicine. And that's the basics of the experiments